back to my channel. Today is a hair tutorial that will really save your life, especially if your hair is short or you just don't want to spend so much time on styling. You literally don't have time. Like, I've not had time and I have been wearing my hair like this for the last 2 weeks. Yeah, I've been so busy. So this is a hairstyle that will help anyone who's on the go or anyone whose hair is short and you want like volume. It's going to really help you. So please stay tuned. And by the way, thank you so much. 3K subscribers. Thank you guys. Welcome to the farm. And yeah, so let's jump right onto the tutorial. Okay guys, so this is the condition of my hair. I haven't washed it. I've been very lazy and the dye is actually fading, and I'm going to do a hair update soon, but I'm starting by moisturizing using water and my leave-in conditioner. For now, I'm using Saru Organics leave-in conditioner because it leaves my hair really moisturized, and with colored hair, I'm really investing in products that leave my hair very moisturized. Then I'm going to do a side part, and you're free to do whatever parting you want. This is the parting that I like, and I'm going to lay it flat using my 10 Pro Gel. The 10 Pro Gel is actually very moisturizing as well. Doesn't flake, doesn't leave your hair really dry, and that's why it's so good for me. So I'm just going to apply the gel, brush my hair, and then secure it with a band at the back. But if you have time, you can do cornrows at the back so that you can have a flatter surface. Then guys, I'm going to use this wig that I actually made, and if you missed that tutorial, I'm going to leave a link for you. The wig actually kind of matches my hair. So you're actually free to make a wig that really matches your hair, and it's gonna come through for you guys. It's going to really come through on days that you don't have time, but you want to lie to people that this is actually your hair. So for the second look, I'm just going to do 2 flat twists at the front, maintaining my parting. And for those who are new and have not watched how I do my flat twist, I'm going to also leave a link, but I'm going to show you a bit in this video. I actually added a bit of oil, shea butter oil, which my sister made, just for the slip as I do this. So the flat twist routine is just the usual, where you twist your hair as you add more hair and along the line. Because you really want this flat twist to come out well, make sure that you keep adding small sections of hair as opposed to big ones. Because this side is clear, I'm going to now explain to you. So you start with 2 twists, add a small section on one side of the twist, and then again twist, add a small section, twist. It just keeps repeating. Just be patient with it and you'll see your flat twist coming out so perfect. Then I'm going to pin the 2 at the back before proceeding again to add the wig and secure it with pins. If you like this video so far, remember to give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. How's that guys? Isn't it so easy? It's just so easy. It's just so good. I love it. I enjoyed making this video, and I've been rocking this style for so long now that I haven't had time. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It's very easy, and especially if your hair is short, it's going to really come through for you, or when you need that volume, and also if you don't have time, it's really going to come through for you. So if you didn't watch the wig tutorial, it's going to come up next, and also the flat twist tutorial. tutorial, and I hope you benefit from both of them. So until next time, please subscribe, hit that notification bell on, and leave me a comment on what you think. Like this video, share this video. Love you guys. See you next time.